This is a message to the world. Cambodia, a small country located in Southeast Asia, rich is in history and culture. The land of Angkor Wat is currently under attack from Thailand. On July 24, 2025, Thai military opened fire into Cambodian border. Bullets and bombs are being exchanged. During the recording of this video, this is one of the many attempts to invade Cambodia throughout the history. Cambodia is a developing country. We are smaller in terms of territory population, economic and military power. We suffered countless wars in the last 100 years. From French colonization, Khmer Rouge, and civil unrest. We do not want another war. Right now, pagodas, schools and families are being destroyed. Human lives are at stake and we need your help. This is our message to the world. Please hear our stories.